Yo, yo, yo. Yeah, look what I got in the mail yesterday. It's a 1989's Hoover Elite 350 upright vacuum. This is a very old Elite. Was made in the year of 1988 in the year of 89. And for first of all, I'm going to do the intro, okay? First is the intro. 3, 2, 1, action. Oh, hi guys. This is Marshall's Studios Forever Vintage Stuff here. Marshall's Studios Forever Vintage Stuff is taping you from a live audience today. Also, yesterday, a couple weeks ago, I bought this older Hoover Elite 350 off of OfferUp. And it cost about $25 to get. And I finally bought a $25 cheaper vacuum cleaner in brand new condition. And also, this thing looks brand new, you guys. I bought this really brand new, older, vintage Hoover, and for first of all, I love having older Hoovers in my collection. If I ever find one of these machines, I will snatch one right up, and I will keep it in my collection. And I love these older late 80s Hoover machines, and I really love them to death, no matter what. And these machines are very powerful, very strong suction, and this machine is really powerful. And first of all, it sounds brand new, very powerful, and this thing will suck right out of the carpet. And it grooms fantastically here in the living room. And that thing will suck right out of the carpet. And this thing was extremely stronger with a 5-point-amp motor. Very strong. This is very strong like a crocodile. And for first of all, instead of me talking, I really love this machine a lot, and for first of all, I'm going to take it for a spin. Also, the cord plugs in right over here. And for first of all, I'm going to take the grip from the cord right here. And here's your cord, and this is the grip right here. And also, they did made a Mrs. Doubtfire Red Hoover Elite 2 in the year of 1990. For first of all, I will find a red one, and I will let you know, okay? If I'm going to find a red Hoover Elite was made in the year of 88, I will let you know. I will find that first Hoover Elite, okay? And I will be so happy and excited to find one of these. And for first of all, I used to do this for competitions at Skills USA, doing carpet high maintenance with the industrial commercial vacuums at times. And also everybody, right here, I'm going to put it on high adjustment. In 3, 2, 1, go. Also, I just need to turn on cord number 2. And also, you guys, I will turn on the switch. Also, this is very powerful and stronger, okay? 3, 2, 1, and go. Well, everybody, wow, this machine is super, super powerful, and this thing will suck right out of the freaking carpet. This thing has tons of suction. It's been in brand new condition. This was a 1989's Hoover Elite. Top filled bag. Elite 350, very powerful. Man, this thing will suck right out of the carpet, you guys. And these machines do last for a very long time, and I will use this a lot anytime. And first of all, man, this is lightweight, and I really love this one better. I will use it anywhere I want to do, and also I do have other vacuum cleaners I will be buying on February 10th on a Saturday. Okay, and I have more vacuums to bring home this weekend, Saturday the 10th. And first of all, I will see you in the next video. Make sure you click thumbs up, hit subscribe, click down below what you like to see. And first of all, I will see you on YouTube Shorts, okay? I'll see you in the next video. And peace out, everybody. It's your boy, Marshall Studios Forever. Vintage stuff from the 70s, 80s, and 90s, early 2000. I'll see you then.